Alright, so today I gotta do fork seals on my Sportster. They're leaking pretty bad. Turns out they don't like landing wheelies very good. We got the forks off. Just need to get the chrome cap off, dust seal off, pull the bolt out of the bottom, the top, and start draining them down. Got the chrome cap off and the dust seal. As you can see, you got a little retainer clip down in there. Just get a pick in there and pop that out of there. And get the bolt out of the bottom. Got the clip out, took the bolt out of the bottom. You can just use this as a slide hammer. There she comes right out. Here's everything that comes in the Harley Davidson kit. Got all your bushings, bolts, seals, O-rings, everything you need. So we'll pull this spring out here. Looks like we got a bushing on there, some bushings here. Get all those replaced. You got the new bushings on, new seal slid over. Got the little bushing on there, new O-ring on the cap. I think we're ready to slide these back together after I clean out the tube there. So here's kind of a breakdown. You got your lower tube, you got this tapered receiver for this, which slides in the end of here. You got your bushing, your tube, your other bushing, your washer, your main oil seal, your clip, your dust seal. And you got this, will drop in there. There's your main spring, slide in on top of that. And you got these two bolts with the washer. Goes in the bottom. Do this with one hand. Alright, these things take 1 pint of oil. When you're filling them, make sure that the tube is fully extended, otherwise it will overflow. And you will drain all your oil out. So then you can kind of work it around, get the air bubbles out of it. That should do. Drop your spring in and put your cap on. Alright, so we got the forks back in. They all seem to work great. No oil leaks. Should be good to go. So that's how you rebuild front forks on an 03 Sportster. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below.